Hi, this is Regitze. What is the most important rule for Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising? Well, if you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe and stay until the end. I have something free I want to give you. But let's jump into it. What is the most important rule when advertising on Facebook and Instagram? Well, it's if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you have an ad that is working well, is profitable, is producing good results, don't change anything. Even if you learn that maybe some setting is better than what you have done, maybe you learn that a CPO campaign performs better than an ABO campaign, and you have an ABO campaign. But if you have an ABO campaign that performs well, don't go and change it to a CPO campaign. You disrupt the Facebook algorithm and it may never optimize the way it was before. What you can do is next time you make a new ad, you can use the new settings that you now know are better. But the things that you can change and that you should change, if you have a well-working campaign and you want to scale it, is add more audiences, expand the audiences. And also you have to change out the creative sometimes, otherwise you'll experience ad fatigue. So, hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions. And the free things I want to give you is I made a Facebook ad template, especially for coaches and consultants. You can get it for free. There's a link in the description. Just go there and download it, completely free. Yeah, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Also, a link in the description. Yeah, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a video. Take care. Bye.